Hey everyone, so if you have 30 FPS here on Plasticity, then this video will change your life. So I've noticed on my notebook that I just had 30 FPS and it's just laggy and all that stuff. And that's because my laptop has two graphics cards, so one integrated and one GeForce. So if that's the case for you too, so maybe also for your PC, then what you want to do is go to the path of your Plasticity. So if you don't know where it is, right click, open file location on Windows and just click here and Control C. We will need this in the second. So copy this path here and right click. And first of all, if you have an NVIDIA driver, go to NVIDIA drivers here on Google. So just select your correct driver here and update that and restart your PC. And then you should also have here an NVIDIA control panel. If you don't find it here, just search for it. And then this little window will open and you have to go to Manage 3D Settings. And here, Preferred Graphics Processor, put this onto High Performance NVIDIA Processor, apply it. And additionally to that, you have to go to Program Settings and select here if you can find Plasticity. If you don't have it, go to Add. And okay, here I have it already, but if not, go to Browse and just click here on the search field and Control V and post this path and select Plasticity. And then you see here it's use global settings or integrated graphics, but you have to put it on high performance NVIDIA processor and apply it again. So if you restart Plasticity and yeah, let's open like any file here. Voila, you see, now you have 60 FPS and everything is much smoother. I hope it helps someone. Leave a like and subscribe and see you in my next tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye.